Hi everyone, and thank you for tuning in to our DIY draft proofing video series. My name's Arki, I'm a founder at Sapien, and we're a company that specialises in draft proofing homes and making them more energy efficient. We've partnered up with Port Phillip City Council to bring you a virtual series on draft proofing your home. We'll run you through a series of step-by-step videos and teach you some of the tips and tricks that we've learnt over the years so that you can have a go at draft proofing your home yourself. The COVID-19 pandemic has changed the way we live for lots of people. A lot more people are finding that they're spending a lot of time at home, and inevitably this is going to lead to our energy bills getting more expensive as we spend more time cooling or heating our home, especially coming into these winter months. There are a few really good reasons to draft proof your home. Firstly, it's going to improve your thermal comfort. If you're working at your desk or you're sitting on the couch and you can feel a cold or a warm draft, depending on what time of year it is, coming in and hitting your skin, that's going to be uncomfortable. Draft proofing your home will help keep it at a more stable temperature and help to prevent those kind of drafts coming in and making you uncomfortable. The second reason is it's going to reduce the cost of your energy bills. Air that you're heating or cooling that's leaving the house through gaps or through drafts is quite literally money out the window. So draft proofing your home can have a really positive impact on your energy bill and help keep those costs down. The third reason is it's going to reduce your carbon footprint. Climate change is obviously one of the biggest challenges we have to tackle today, and draft proofing your home is really going to assist in reducing the amount of energy it takes to run your household and thereby reducing your carbon emissions. The fourth reason is it helps to kind of create a better barrier between outside and inside. So it'll help prevent dust and bugs from coming inside. And this is a particularly relevant point with the recent bushfire crisis that we had, where the air quality outside really wasn't that great. So draft proofing your home can kind of help create that separation. The fifth point is it often improves the acoustic performance of your home. So if you live near a busy road or near a sports field, then draft proofing your home often will kind of increase that acoustic insulation and make the house inside quieter and more comfortable. Now, there's a couple of ways you can try to locate the drafts in your home and try to find the worst ones. One thing you can do is you can switch on all of the extractor fans in your house, like the kitchen exhaust hood or your toilet exhaust fans, switch them all on, close all of the doors and windows, and what this is doing is actually depressurizing the house, and it's going to draw air in from outside to make up for the air that you're pulling through these extractor fans. So once you've done this, you can actually walk around the house and feel just with your hand or just on your skin where the drafts are really coming from. So around your door, around your window, you can actually feel where the worst spots are. You might be surprised at how effective this can actually be in finding different sources of drafts. If your extractor fans aren't that strong, or perhaps the volume of your house is really big, sometimes this isn't that effective. It might be a bit hard to just feel it manually. You can try using something like a tissue or a lightweight material where you'll actually visually be able to see it move in response to drafts and air leakage in the home. So another cool way you can try to find drafts in your home so that you can fix them up. Now, draft proofing your home is never going to be perfect, and that's okay. The way we like to think about it is if you went around your home and found all of the drafts and all of the gaps and you put them all together on a wall in your living room, you'd have a big giant gaping hole on your living room wall. All we're trying to do is make that hole as small as possible. You can imagine the benefits that that has, and it will just help you control the air coming in and out of your home rather than uncontrolled air movement through drafts and through leakage. All of the products that we're going to be using in this video series, we will provide links to so that you can find them and have a go at doing these draft proofing techniques yourself. That's about all from me. Strap in, enjoy the series. I hope you all learned something. We'll also be running a series of Ask Arki drop-in sessions where you can come in, drop in virtually, and ask any questions, or we can troubleshoot anything or run through some info. Hope to see you there. Thank you for watching.